Well, it is that time of year for summer vacations, and with all the traveling, there are a couple safety issues that everyone should be aware of: tire blowouts and airbag recalls. Our friends at the Higgins Firm sometimes see cases that are related to these types of issues. Attorney Jim Higgins recently stopped by to explain. Jim, how are you?
Great.
That time of year, everyone's hitting the road for summer vacation, so unfortunately, we do see a lot of tire blowout cases as well as some airbag recalls. Talk about the tire blowout cases first, and what can people do to prevent them?
Sure. Yeah, I hate to put a damper on the summer travels, but you know, it's good information to have. And unfortunately, you know, we about once a year, and it usually happens in summer because summertime there's more stress on the tires, there's more traveling, it heats up more. We'll always get a tire separation, a tire blowout case or two during the summers, and they can really be some tragic cases. You know, a lot of times it is just the driver's fault that, you know, you use those tires, you run on them too long, you're trying to save money and not getting new tires. But, you know, a lot of cases that we have is where the tire separates. It's a defect. And what generally happens is that, you know, you've got rubber and fabric and steel and all this in a tire, and you use a glue or adhesive to put that together. And if it's not done correctly at the manufacturer, under the stress of the heat and traveling, that tire can separate. And you know, if you're in an accident, involved in an accident, and the tire has come apart, you know, one thing I always tell people: keep that tire. You got to call our office or a lawyer that knows how to deal with those cases quickly, because once that tire's gone, the case is over. And I see so many lawyers that have missed that, and it's really important.
Does it help to take pictures right away as well?
Absolutely. Like, you know, when we talk a lot what to do after a car accident, you know, that with cell phones and everything has so changed over the years. Used to, I'd never get pictures of accidents when I started doing this 15, 20 years ago, whatever it was. But now, just immediately, you pull out that phone and take a video, take a picture.
Yeah.
It's so much easier to explain an accident to a jury with those pictures than through your words, right?
It can make a big difference. Now, what about the airbag recalls, and what can we do with them? What's the deal with that?
All right, so everybody's heard about the Takata airbag recalls. There's a website, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. You can go there, you can put your VIN number in, your model number, and it will tell you if you've had the recall. The thing that's a little bit tough with us is they're a little more susceptible to explosion in high humidity areas, which is us, right?
Yep.
Don't freak out. There hasn't been a lot of these cases, but it's something you need to take seriously, and you need to deal with it.
Okay, we're out of time, but I want to mention, if someone is impacted by either of these things, should they just go ahead and give your office a call?
Yes, any product liability case, you've got to call us quickly, and we don't mind talking to you. Just call us.
All right, Jim, thanks so much. Good info.
Thank you.
Now, the Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 1-800-705-2121. And for more information, check out their website. That's thehigginsfirm.com.